have just finished the middle section of my essential scarf, so I am now ready to join section 3, which is one strand of each colour. Get those, here we are, one strand of each colour. I've already added the tassels to this, as you can see, because I was too excited and wanted to add them before I finished, and they look really cool, so we will have a tutorial on how to add those later on. So I have got my 2 strands which I'm going to hold together. We have all the way through, but this time we've got the 2 different colours. Right hand needle goes into the first stitch, and then holding these 2 strands underneath my work just to hold them in place. Oops, I've only got one. And then wrap them around the right hand needle and back and up to do the knit stitch we have all the way through. So I'm holding it again in place just on the back of my work there into the second stitch, and then knit. And then you can when you come back to do the next row, just pull on those ends just to tighten everything up, and away we go, knitting our 2 different colours in the 3rd section of our essential beanie. Remembering at the end, when we've got 2 stitches left, we slip those 2 off for our I-cord. So I will now do this whole section in these 2 colours and come back and show you that when I've finished, and then we will be casting off. Yay!